is round. To be precise, it is an irregularly shaped ellipsoid. That is a known fact. Undeniable indeed. Okay, now just try proving that fact to yourself. But with one constraint: do not use any of the modern technology. If your mind came up with a nice idea to prove that Earth is ball shaped without using any satellite images, it's cool. But have you ever wondered how did we humans concluded that the Earth is round in the first place? The ancient thinkers used many methods or techniques to come to this conclusion that Earth was not flat but round, not with the help of any technology but by using their reasoning skills. Let me explain one such simple method that the ancient Greek philosophers used to prove that the Earth is round. I chose this method for this video because you can easily apply this on your next vacation to a beach and can fill your holiday with lots of joy and a little bit of science in it. Let us imagine that you are there on a seashore and enjoying a nice sunny day. Concentrate on a ship that is there on the sea which is moving away from you. You will notice that as the ship is moving away from you over the horizon, the bottom of the ship disappears first, and as the ship moves farther away, you will be able to see only the top portion of it because the ship is moving over a horizon that is curved. If the earth is flat, you must be able to see the whole of the ship as it moves away from you but decreasing in size. When the ship is moving farther away from you, as long as the range of your vision permits, you must be able to see the whole of the ship becoming smaller and smaller if the earth is flat. Similarly, you can observe the same phenomenon when the ship is moving towards you over the horizon. You will first be able to see the sails of the ship, and then, as it is moving even closer to you, you will be able to see the bottom of it, which can happen only when the earth is round. Hence, proved. The ancient Greeks also used the lunar eclipse to prove the same. When the earth comes in between the sun and the moon, the shadow that it casts on the moon is always round. This is possible only when the earth is round. Well, you might have already studied these methods in your high school textbooks. So next time when you see a sailing boat or a lunar eclipse, try to enjoy watching them as they helped us to understand our home better. We must be so lucky that we are there at this phase of the history where all the devices and technology are available with us at our fingertips that can show us the beautiful satellite images of our home. We humans are thinkers. The great thinkers of the present will pave the way for the future, just like how the great thinkers of the past shaped our present. Well, let us thank all those ancient thinkers who helped us understand our home better.